cutting across to breaking news that's coming in from the all-party meeting that's underway ahead of the budget session. Now, the Congress is seeking Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker's post for the opposition. It's also raised a neat issue. That's what we're learning from our sources. As of now, big demand being made by the Congress party after Rahul Gandhi insulted Hindus in Parliament in his speech as the Lok Sabha opposition speaker leader. Now, Congress is seeking Deputy Speaker's post. Remember, this was after the Congress candidate for the Speaker's post lost in that election to Om Birla, who was elected as the Speaker. Now, the Congress reiterating demand for the Deputy Speaker's post in the Lok Sabha. Let me just go across to my colleague Gopi, who is joining us live. Gopi, a very good afternoon to you. Give us more details on the Congress's fresh demand, in fact, a reiteration of its demand.
Well, in fact, in the past, we have seen this year how a speaker was chosen in the House where Om Birla, in fact, had emerged victorious, and it was T.R. Balu who was standing against the Om Birla, and in fact, he did not win, and Om Birla was chosen as the Speaker of the House. So this discussion has been going on since then, and there have been tensions because there is a possibility that what we are learning from our sources is there's a possibility that TDP in fact was also demanding for the position of Deputy Speaker, and now it is the opposition Congress which has raised the issue of Deputy Speaker's position, which they have lost to Speaker's position. So this is one thing which is being discussed at the all parties meet. Apart from this, one of the very important development which is taking place is the Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav raises the issue of Kawad Yatra in the all-party meet, where he says that the UP government, in fact, is doing things to divide Hindus and Muslims after what we are seeing since past 3 days, where they have the shop owners and shopkeepers have been asked to mention their name in front of the shop. So this is another issue which is being raised at the all-party meet, while even the NEET is another issue which is being raised by the opposition parties. This is what we are learning from the all-party meet through our sources, while the YSRCP and JDU both have demanded special status for their states, Andhra and Bihar respectively. Back to you, Kriti.
Right, well, thanks for joining us with those details, Gopi. Viewers, very big breaking news coming in from the all-party meet underway in Parliament. The SP, of course, has raised Kawad Yatra issue at the meeting, and in fact, the Congress has sought the Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker's post for the opposition, as well as raised the NEET issue. This is, of course, as per sources as of now, but a big update coming in from the Parliament meeting of all parties ahead of the budget session kickstart that's about to kickstart tomorrow.